Hey everyone! Worried your cloud isn't as secure as it should be? You are not alone. Everyday organizations face risk from exposed data, weak access control, and compliance failure across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. I'm Luca Berton, and in collaboration with Starweaver, I've created Securing Cloud Operations, hands-on tactics to lock down AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, a course designed to give you practical, battle-tested skills you can apply immediately. In just 4 hours, you will deploy and secure resources across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Configure IAM and MFA and firewalls to stop attackers in their tracks. Detect and respond to threats with GuardDuty, Azure Defender, and Google Cloud SCC. Align your setup with CIS, ISO 27001, and NIST standards, so you are always audit ready. This isn't theory. You will work throughout real-world scenarios you can walk into your next project confident that you can secure any cloud environment from day one. So, if you're ready to level up your skills and say, yes, I can secure that cloud stack for you across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, click and roll and join me and Starweaver today.